every year. It looks crazy, just like how can I say? It looks really aesthetic in this rainy day, and everywhere the frogs are croaking. And I'm not good in English. I'm trying to improve my English, and it's that. It's that. Everything looks aesthetic and in this rainy day. As you can see, I'm not good at frame shifting, but I hope you like the sounds, the raindrop sounds. Oh, looking, this is a land, but after some years, I think we're not able to see this land. Just enjoy the sound of the rain.